Hi everyone. Today Didi is going to read a story to you called The New Student. Morning had arrived. First, I heard the alarm clock in my mother's room. Then, I heard my mother say, "Time to get up. Today is a great day." I was afraid and I wanted to stay under the covers. It was my first day at a new school. Why do you think the girl was afraid? Her mom said, "Come on, get up, it's a great day." But the girl was still afraid and she wanted to just stay in bed. Why? Because it was her first day at school, right? Let's think back to our own school, own lives. When we first stepped into school, we were also really scared, right? And why were we scared? Didi, I remember on my first day of school, I was scared because I didn't know if I would make friends, if my teacher would be nice, if I would like the subjects. I didn't know anything. So, because I didn't know what would happen, I was scared. So, maybe even this little girl is scared because of that. Let's read ahead and see. Clap, clap. I heard my mother clapping. Come now, you need to eat a good breakfast. We had a big breakfast, but I wasn't very hungry. I was too worried and nervous. My mother said, "How do you feel?" I said, "I'm ill. I think I should go back to bed." She laughed. "It's just a new school." So the mother said, "How do you feel?" And the girl said, "I'm sick. I think I should go back to bed." मैं बीमार हूँ, मुझे वापस सोना है. Do you think she actually was sick? क्या actually बीमार थी or was she just scared? She was scared, right? Because nowhere else had they said कि उसको कुछ cold था या fever था, कुछ नहीं था. She was just scared. And why was she scared? Because it's a new school. But they will all know each other. It's November. So they have been in the same classroom together since September. They will all have friends already. I know your teacher will make sure you are fine. So the girl said, why was she scared of the new school? She was like, मैं late join कर रही हूँ. School November में शुरू हुआ. Sorry, school September में शुरू हुआ, लेकिन I am coming in November. मैं November में आ रही हूँ. Right? So September अगर शुरू हुआ, सबको they would have made friends, दोस्त होंगे. लेकिन how will I make friends? Because I have come so late. When I was ready, we walked 4 blocks to my new school. Hurry, my mother said. Outside the school, children were playing. I didn't know anyone. Then the bell rang and everyone rushed inside. My mother said, remember, you are in room 203. Remember, your teacher's name is Miss Brown. Okay? Mama said, hurry. And outside the school, children were playing and usko kuch kisi ko nahi pata tha. She didn't know anyone. So then the bell rang. You know how the bell rings in our own school. And the mom said कि तुम 203 के रूम में हो. So remember that your teacher's name is Miss Brown. तुम्हारा टीचर का नेम है Miss Brown. I walked into the building and then I walked up the stairs. Then I got to room 203. Hello, a woman said. You must be Michelle. I'm Miss Brown. Welcome to room 203. She said, sit right here next to Annette. I sat down. Annette said, hi, I'm really glad you're here. Miss Brown told us you were coming, and I want to be your first friend. So she came And what is the girl's name? So far we didn't know the girl's name. Girl का नाम क्या है? The name is Michelle. And the teacher's name is Miss Brown. And who is the girl that Michelle sat next to? She sat next to this girl called Annette. And was Annette mean to her? क्या Annette mean थी? Was she rude? No, right? How do we know she wasn't rude? Because she said, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I'm really glad कि तुम यहाँ पे हो. और and मुझे तुम्हारा first friend बनना है. I want to be your first friend. I was surprised. Everyone was being so friendly. Why was she surprised? सब लोग friendly थे, अच्छे थे. तो why was she surprised? Let's think back to what we read in the story. मिशेल क्या सोच रही थी कि सब लोग will have their own friend. तो कोई उससे नहीं बात करेगा. That she will be alone, right? लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Everyone was being friendly. सब लोग friendly थे, बात कर रहे थे उससे, and she felt good. Class, we have a new student today. Michelle Washington is here. उसका पूरा नाम क्या है? What's her whole name? Michelle Washington. Let's all help her feel welcome. The whole class said, "Welcome, Michelle." I felt much better. When we started the lessons, Annette helped me find the pages. She showed me what we were doing. It was the same kind of math we did at my old school. The reading book was different. It had new stories in it, but it looked a lot like the old book. At lunchtime, we lined up. Annette said, "Get in line with me. Stay with me so I can show you where everything is." So, what happened here? They started the lessons and Annette helped her find the pages. Annette showed her कि हम ये chapter में ये कर रहे हैं. So, she showed her कि काम पे है textbook में. And Michelle realized कि उसको डर था पहले कि क्या subjects कैसे होंगे, क्या मुझे पता होगा. लेकिन उसको पता था क्योंकि ये maths जो ये new school में कर रहे थे, उसके पिछले स्कूल की तरह it was similar, it was same. सिर्फ रीडिंग का बुक थोड़ा अलग था लेकिन it was still very similar to the old book जो उसके previous school से, right? So things weren't that bad. And lunch time में Annette said कि line में मेरे साथ खड़े रहो, stay with me so I can show you कि सारी चीज काम पे है. Then at lunch Annette said, "I'm Michelle's first friend. Michelle, here are your second and third new friends, Tanya and Joan." So we ate lunch together. I liked my new friends a lot. Sorry, one second. I liked my new friends a lot. That afternoon, we had free reading time. I read books with my new friends. I was so glad to have met them. What did she do? She read in the afternoon. They had some reading time. Remember how we have reading time? So she read the books with her new friends. And who were her new friends? Tanya and Joan. Let's make an inference about Annette. Right? What do we know about Annette in the story? When Michelle came first to the class, Annette said, "I want to be your new friend. I want to be your first friend." Then we also know कि Annette ने दिखाया उसको कि कहाँ से पढ़ना है, told her कि यहाँ पे lunch room है. She introduced her to new friends. उसके friends she introduced, Tanya and Joan, right? And she spent a lot of time with Michelle क्योंकि उसको पता था कि Michelle पहले दिन पे will be a little scared. So what kind of person is Annette? I think Annette is really kind. I think Annette is really helpful and she has a lot of empathy. right? Because she knows that Michelle will be scared, and she was still very nice to Michelle on her first day. She told Michelle, ki, don't worry, you have friends here. I am there. Tanya and Joan are there. And that's so nice. That's a very nice thing to do. Right? So I think Annette is, so when I read the story and I thought back to my own life, कि मेरे लाइफ में अगर किसी ने मेरे लिए ऐसे किया, then that person would be really kind and helpful and have a lot of empathy. So I think I'm making an inference about Annette. I think Annette is very kind. At the end of the day, we got homework and then we left the school. My mother was waiting outside and I ran up to her smiling. You were right, I said. My teacher helped me and I have friends already. My mother smiled. It was a great day. So why was Michelle happy? Because the teacher was so nice, her friends were so nice, she had learned so much, and she was happy.